Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission for many purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 189. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 3, 2 covering both of these boxes and a 9 there. So this is our 3, that 2 makes this our 9, 2. If we look at this row, we're missing 2 and 3. And I don't see any help. So 2, 3, 2, 3. For this row, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so this is our 3, 7. That 3 makes this our 2, 3. For this box now, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got a 2 here and a 7 here, so this is our 8. That 2 makes this our 7, 2. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 4. I don't see any help. So 3, 4, 3, 4. For this row, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. If we look at this column, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 covering this box, so 5, 8. For this column, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 and 9 here, so this is our 3. That 9 makes this our 7, 9. For this box now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. And for this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got 1s covering both of these boxes, so our 1 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 3, 5, 3, 5. If we look at this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got 2 covering this row and a 2 covering this row, so our 2 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 3, 4, 3, 4. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, 6, and 8. We've got a 2 and a 6 here, so 3, 8. 2 and 6 here, 3 here. That means this is our 8, 3. And this 2 means this is our 6, 2. For this bottom row now, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 1. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. That 4 makes this our 3, 4. For this column now, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got 9s covering these 2, so our 9 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 3, 6, 3, 6. For this column, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. For this column, we're missing 4 and 5. I don't see any help. So 4, 5, 4, 5. For this column, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. That 5 makes this our 4, 5, 3, 5. That 3 makes this our 4, 3, 6, 3. And to finish out this box now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.